Hey guys, touch delay everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make chicken wings. It's very simple and delicious healthy recipe and hopefully you guys love this recipe. And let's get started how to make. And if you are visit my channel first time, don't forget to click red button and click also bell also. If you click the bell, you will get always notification when I upload the new video. So first I'm gonna make marinade sauce. For this we need 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 2 tablespoons cooking oil, half teaspoon salt. The salt is according to taste, you can add. Half teaspoon sesame oil. Now mix the all sauce one time. After the set aside, our sauce is ready. Now move on the chicken. So here I choose ready-made chicken. You can go with fresh chicken wings also if you find the fresh is better. Now first I'm gonna wash this all. After wash the chicken wings, you have to cut Now take a chicken wings and make a hole in middle. In this way, when you marinate and all sauce will going inside and it will be juicy and more delicious. Now it's ready for marinade. Now put in before make sauce. Add the all chicken. And now you have to mix it very nicely. After that, cover and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. After 25 minutes later, now we gonna fry this, or you can grill also. So my oven will take long time, so I'm gonna use in fry pan. Now drop the all chicken in fry pan. Now I already add the all chicken. Now you have to cook for until not golden brown color. So cover and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes later, now I'm gonna start. Just flip it over. Again cover and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now continuously start like this for 30 seconds and you have to burn your chicken wings little golden brown color. So you have to start continuously, and If you touch the fire, so it will give little smoking grilled chicken taste. Now set aside the chicken, and one side I'm gonna add before leftover marinade sauce. Add the sauce and boil until not become thick. So you have to boil, so it will take 30 seconds. Boil in medium flame and continuously you have to stir. Now sauce become thick like this. Now it's time to mix it with chicken. And you have to mix it very nicely. Now turn off the heat and ready to serve. Now garnish with little sesame seed, so it will give little classy and nice look. So guys, this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy my homemade chicken wings recipe. And if you want to know for more recipe guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.